So we will discuss preparation of haloarenes, especially. So these haloarenes, haloarenes, these are prepared from diazonium salts. Very important method for the preparation of diazonium salts. Prepared from diazonium salts. So these diazonium salts are actually prepared, these are prepared from the aromatic primary amines. Aromatic diazonium salts are prepared by the treatment of aromatic primary amines such as aniline, या aminobenzene जिसको हम बोलते हैं with nitrous acid at temperature of less than 5 degrees Celsius. That means 273 to 278 Kelvin, or we can write less than 5 degrees Celsius. So I can write here, this is nitrous acid. We take sodium nitrite plus HCl. We take this salt, sodium nitrite, उसको करते हैं हम treat with HCl less than 5 degree. So I will get NaCl plus HNO2. This is nitrous acid. ये nitrous acid HNO2 ये nitrous acid है. So I will take now arene diazonium salt. This is benzene. I will take now aniline. This is aniline. This is aminobenzene और aniline हम इसको बोलते हैं, aniline commonly बोलते हैं इसको हम करते हैं treat with nitrous acid. So I will take this and a mixture. I will take Na sodium nitrite plus HCl less than 5 degrees Celsius temperature. In ice cold, that means ice cold. So I will get this substance. This N triple bond N ये यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. So यहाँ पर होता है इसके साथ Cl नेगेटिव like this. This is benzene, diazonium chloride. ये benzene diazonium chloride है. These are actually very unstable compounds. ये unstable compounds हैं. Therefore, we use freshly prepared the solution of diazonium salt because they are very much unstable. ये unstable compounds होते हैं. So aniline से हमें मिल गया diazonium salt. So from these diazonium salts, we can prepare haloarenes. That means chloro and bromo derivatives. So I will take here to prepare in a preparation of chloro and bromobenzene. क्लोरो एंड ब्रोमोबेंजीन हम करते हैं ट्रीट बाय द रिएक्शन ऑफ, इस रिएक्शन को एक खास एक रिएक्शन है दैट इज कॉल्ड Sand-Meyers reaction. So what is this Sand-Meyers reaction? In the Sandweier reaction, we prepare chloro and bromobenzene by treating diazonium benzene diazonium chloride with cuprous chloride and HCl, or with cuprous bromide and HCl. The reaction जो ये Sandweier reaction है, this involves ये mechanism जो इसका है, that is free radical, ये nucleophilic unimolecular substitution, but involves free radical, involve करता है free radical. Free radical मतलब है having species having unpaired electron. So I can write here, this is benzene diazonium chloride. ये बेंजीन डाइजोनियम क्लोराइड है, इसको हम करेंगे ट्रीट विथ Cu2Cl, ये हो गया cuprous chloride in presence of HCl. So I will get, यहाँ पर रिप्लेसमेंट हो जाएगा, सब्स्टिट्यूट हो जाएगी, यहाँ पर we will get Cl plus N2, यहाँ पर Cl और N2 बनेगा, ये हो गया क्लोरोबेंजीन बन गया यहाँ पर, और यहाँ पर स्टेबल मॉलिक्यूल यहाँ पर हो जाएगा, नाइट्रोजन will get removed as a stable molecule. So this is chlorobenzene है ये. Exactly we can prepare, this is benzene diazonium chloride plus ये हो गया cuprous bromide, ये एक्ट करता है एज कैटलिस्ट. So this is HBr. I will get, this is bromobenzene plus N2. So we can prepare chloro and bromobenzene from diazonium salt by treating it with cuprous chloride and HCl or cuprous bromide and HBr. This reaction is known as Sandweier reaction. ये Sandweier reaction है. Now we have, if we use, अगर हम यूज करेंगे, if I use copper in place of, अगर मैं करूंगा copper in place of cuprous chloride, so I will get this in place of HCl. Copper करूंगा मैं use as catalyst in place of HCl, so I will get chlorobenzene and I will get nitrogen as a stable molecule, and I will take Cu, copper में ले लूंगा in place of HBr, या फिर copper metal ले लूंगा यहाँ पर in place of cuprous bromide, so I will get bromobenzene. This set of reaction, ये वाला reaction है, when I will replace cuprous chloride and cuprous bromide by copper, the reaction is known as Gutterman reaction. Gutterman reaction. So what is Gutterman reaction? Gutterman reaction involves the treatment of benzene diazonium chloride or diazonium salt with copper in HCl to form chlorobenzene, and benzene diazonium salts with copper in presence of HBr to give bromobenzene. The reaction is known as Gutterman reaction. ये Gutterman reaction है. So we have discussed two important reactions. One is Sandweier reaction, and the second is Gutterman reaction. Now we have iodo and fluoro derivatives. We cannot prepare iodo benzene and bromobenzene in iodoarene or fluoroarene. We can't prepare by using Sandweier and Gutterman. आयोडो जो हम आयोडो करते हैं, जो आयोडो बेंजीन जो है, आयोडो बेंजीन is simply prepared by simply warming diazonium chloride, यानी benzene diazonium chloride, warming benzene diazonium chloride with Ki, potassium iodide, like this. This is benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride. We'll treat it with Ki, potassium iodide है ये. This is potassium iodide. इसको हम थोड़ा वार्म करेंगे. So I will get the iodobenzene. मुझे iodobenzene मिलेगा. This is iodobenzene plus N2 plus KCl. यहाँ पर बनेगा. This is iodobenzene. Similarly, we can prepare fluorobenzene. By treatment of benzene diazonium chloride. ये हो गया benzene diazonium chloride with fluoroboric acid. This is HbF4. ये fluoroboric acid है. HbF4 के साथ करेंगे उसको treat. So I will get this compound. I will get an intermediate complex like this. This is benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. एक नगड़ आया है यहाँ पर. This is benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. This is, so when I treated benzene diazonium chloride with fluoroboric acid, I will get this compound. This is benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. यहाँ पर बनेगा HCl like this. So इसको हम करते हैं फिर ये वाला कंपाउंड इसको हम हीट करते हैं फिर टू डिकम्पोज इट. हीटिंग से डिकम्पोज होता है. आई विल गेट दिस कंपाउंड. दिस इज फ्लोरोबेंजीन. ये बनेगा फ्लोरोबेंजीन प्लस बनेगा यहाँ पर BF3. ये BF3 है यहाँ पर. BF3 स्टेबल मॉलिक्यूल है. ये बोरान ट्राइफ्लोराइड बनेगा यहाँ पर. प्लस बनेगा एक स्टेबल मॉलिक्यूल दैट इज N2. सो असली जो हमें यहाँ पर डिजाइड प्रोडक्ट था दैट वाज फ्लोरोबेंजीन. फ्लोरोबेंजीन हमारा डिजाइड प्रोडक्ट था यहाँ पर. सो इस तरह हम कर सकते हैं. वी कैन प्रिपेयर ऑल द 4 derivatives of arenes, that means chloro, bromo, iodo and fluoro. Chloro and bromo we can prepare. Chloro and bromo arenes or chloro and bromo benzenes we can prepare by using Sand-Meier's and Gattermann reaction. Iodo and fluoro benzenes cannot be prepared by using Sand-Meier's and Gattermann reaction. Iodo we can simply prepare by treating diazonium salts with potassium iodide, and fluoro we can prepare by treating diazonium salts with fluoroboric acid. We get an intermediate product. We decompose that by heating, and we get fluorobenzene. So this was about the preparation of haloarenes from diazonium salts. Thanks.